Welcome to Facebook Ads Manager dashboard, and the first thing of Facebook Ads success is understanding how Facebook campaign structure works. So basically there are three layers in Facebook ad structure. The first layer is campaigns, the second layer is ad sets, and the third layer is of ads. And once you navigate to Facebook Ads Manager, you will find these three layers on the top. So this tab is campaign, this tab is ad set, and this tab is ads. Facebook has also incorporated another tab of Resource Center where they are preparing their advertisers for iOS 14 changes, because Apple has announced changes with iOS 14 that will impact how Facebook will receive and process the events from tools like Facebook SDK and Facebook Pixel. So Facebook success is highly dependent on tracking, and this particular update is very important. Must go through this particular update, must go through all the areas which Facebook is highlighting an advertiser to take action on, and after taking the action we will be seeing that how these changes will impact the ads performance. But for now on, let's stick with the topic, and I will be discussing the campaign structure here. As soon as you click on the create button, your campaign journey will begin. And here you're gonna see marketing objective, campaign objective option. The first thing after selecting create button is to select campaign objective, and you can see that there are a lot of options, a lot of campaign objective options available: awareness, consideration, and conversion. I have shared you information about how Facebook ads funnels work. I have shared you information about Facebook ads funnel, and you have to visualize your brand, that okay, if you are a new brand and you're gonna go with the conversion campaign, then the chances are high that you are going to get zero results or maybe very few results, because once your brand is new on Facebook and you are not heavily advertised before, then you need to go with the brand awareness campaign or maybe any consideration option. So I will be discussing this option in detail as well. So for now, in order to understand the campaign structure, let's go with a traffic campaign that I'm a brand who wants to send traffic towards my website, and once the traffic objective is selected, you're gonna see three further options that you can name your campaign, you can name your ad set, and you can name your ad. You can name your campaign here as well, and if you want to skip and just want to continue, you can do it. Let's continue here. Once we're gonna select on continue, we will move to the mainstream, and here you can see this is the first layer, that is of campaign. This is the second layer, that is of ad sets, and this is the third layer, that is of ads. So now I will be discussing each of the layers so that you can understand the structure well. And after giving a name to your campaign, you will see special ad categories option. If you are from credit, employment, housing, social issues, election, or politics industry, you have to go through these policies, because let's say if you are running ads on elections or politics and you are not clicking on this button and you are not filling out the form which is required, then you will face difficulties in getting your ads approved, or maybe your ad account, your ads will be rejected just because of the policy violation. Then after a special ad category, same options which we selected before the marketing objective will appear here. In the campaign level, you can select A/B split testing, you can do A/B split testing, and campaign budget optimization. So this particular campaign budget optimization option is very important. Like in the beginner session, I discussed that what is campaign budget optimization and what is without campaign budget optimization. So under one campaign, you can create multiple ad sets, and under one ad set, you can create multiple ads. And if you want Facebook to optimize your ad sets and ads, you can go with the campaign budget optimization. And once you are going with campaign budget optimization, you have to set a campaign budget, campaign level budget. Your campaign level, let's say you are planning to create 3 ad sets with different targeting, then your budget will be set on the campaign level. And if you go without campaign budget optimization and you are planning to create 3 ad sets for this campaign, you have to select the marketing budget for each ad set individually. So for this particular example, I am going with without campaign budget optimization, and these are the 4 options that are there in the campaign layer. The first is marketing objective. Then if you are from special category, you need to go through the process. You can select A/B testing here and campaign budget optimization. So in this structure, in this layer, the 2 options are very, very important. Number 1 is selecting the right marketing objective. Number 2 is campaign budget optimization if you want Facebook to optimize your campaigns. Let's move to the ad set area. These are the options that are available in the campaign structure. In ad set 1, let's give it as a test ad set 1 name, and we have selected traffic as a marketing objective. So we have got this particular option. Let me share you additional information here. Like if you go with the conversion campaign, all right, and you navigate to this ad set area, here the conversion option will appear. So the ad set area options are dependent on the marketing objective you are choosing. Let's go back with the traffic marketing objective. The first step once you are running traffic campaign is to select where you want to drive your traffic, whether you want to drive the traffic to the website or to the messenger or to the website or to your app. So default is website. I will go with the default. The second option is of dynamic creative, and I will not suggest this option to beginner advertisers, because once you will select dynamic creative, you have to test out a lot of creatives, and you have to test out a lot of call to action and add text, and it will cost you some amount. And this option is very, very good for the for the advertisers who are already getting results and who want to test out different creative, who want to test out different call to actions, or who want to test out different ad copies. So we're gonna ignore this, and I will be sharing dynamic creative importance, and I will be sharing an example that how it works in the coming tutorials. Let's move forward. Offer is another option that is there in the ad set level, and then we are going to move to the very important area that is of budget and scheduling. And here you select your marketing budget, and I have shared example as well that how smartly you need to select your marketing budget. And in marketing budget, you can select the daily option, and there is a lifetime option as well, and you can schedule your ad here as well, and you can also select the end time of your ad as well. So this is very important area, because here the monetary cost is involved, and you have to select the budget very smartly. After selecting the budget, you will move to another very important area, that is of audience. And in audience, these options you are seeing in front of your screen of location, age, gender, detailed targeting, languages, and there are a few other options. These options are available in Facebook to target the audience, and even you can use custom audience like lookalike audience, your customer list, the audience who has already purchased something from your website. So you can use custom audience options as well, and you can use exclusion as well. So this particular area, audience area, is very important, and it plays a very important role in campaigns success. If you select a wrong target audience, then your entire campaign will go down to the drain. And selecting the right budget and realistic budget is also very, very important. After selecting your audience, you will be selecting your placement, that where you want to show your ads to the final users. And This again, optimization and delivery area, this is a very critical area, because here you are telling Facebook that how you want your ad to be optimized. If you are a beginner advertiser, go with the default setting, and if you are an advanced advertiser, you can go with the landing page views, you can go with daily unique reach or impression. It depends upon your marketing objective, that how you want to achieve your marketing objective, and on the basis of your marketing objective, you as an advertiser are selecting different ads options. So I will suggest new advertisers to go with the default option. So in ad set 2, the important areas which plays very vital role in ad success are number 1 is the budget and scheduling option. Number 2 is the audience option. These are two very, very important options. And if you are an advanced advertiser, optimization and delivery area will play a very significant role. After filling out all the information, you move to the third layer, and in the third layer you're gonna select the ad creative. So let's give it a name, test ad 1. And here you have to select your Facebook page and Insta page. If Insta page is not connected, you can connect it. And ad setup area, again a very important area. In ad setup area, there are 3 options. One is create ad. You can use existing post to promote your content, and I use this existing post very frequently, because once you launch an ad, you will start collecting comments and engagement on that particular ad, and if you are testing out different audiences, use that particular ad in order to have social engagements. And if you have a good engagement on your ad, trust me, your engagement or your final objective will be met with ease. So I will be discussing these options in detail, because I will be covering each and every option in detail, and I will be showing you my examples that how I create campaigns and how I create campaigns and run those campaigns for a longer duration, and also at the same time how I keep those ads running for like 6 months or for an year, and it gets results on the daily basis, on the weekly basis, and on the monthly basis. So selecting the ad creative, the right ad creative is tricky, and a new advertiser or even a advanced advertiser at times gets stuck that okay, there are so many options like image ad, video ad, carousel ad, collection ad. You can have instant experience. There are so many options when you are creating your ad. So I will be sharing the tips and tricks that how you have to set up your ad, and which format you have to select, and how ad media type will impact your ad, and how your ad text copy will impact your ad. So after the ad setup, you will find ad creative options, and here you can create slideshow, you can create video, and if you go with, let's say, image ads, you can select your media. Here you will be typing your ad copy, and in headline you will be typing your ad headline, and in description you will be adding the description. Then there is an option of destination. Our final destination is website, and in this area you will put the website address where you want your users to navigate, and finally you need to select call to action. So there are several other options as well. Languages tracking, this is an advanced option again, and tracking again is another important area nowadays because of the iOS 14 changes. So these are the options that are available in the third layer of Facebook ads, and in this area, ad setup, ad creative are the two major areas which plays a vital role. And this is how you can create your campaign, and this is how you can structure your campaign. This is just a walkthrough of what exactly is available in Facebook Ads Manager and how you can structure a campaign. Structuring the campaign is very important, and once you are structuring your campaign, your marketing objective and campaign budget optimization option or without campaign budget optimization selection is very necessary, because at the top level you are setting the pace of your campaigns. So this is it about campaign structures. In the next video I will be sharing prerequisites before creating a campaign. So I have shared you each and every step. If you are a new advertiser, you can go with the steps and you can create your campaign. That is not a problem. Creating a campaign is not a problem. Creating a successful campaign is the area which needs to be focused on, and I will be covering a lot of information in this course so that you can properly structure your campaign, so that you can properly create your campaigns, so that you can properly focus on all the Facebook ads success area. So in the next video I will be discussing about the prerequisites that are required in order to run your campaign. So next session will be very important. Stay connected.